Hey guys, today we're going to demonstrate the scapular push-up. Okay, it's an excellent exercise for working out the shoulder blade region of the thoracic spine, the upper back right here, as well as it helps with neck pain and shoulder pain as well. Okay, what we're focusing on doing is creating as much movement as we can with that shoulder blade against the rib cage. Okay, so we're pushing it one way as far as we can and pushing it the other way as far as we can. Desi, go ahead and demonstrate what we're talking about here. Perfect. And do a little bit of a chin tuck with that as well. Perfect. Okay, and it's just her shoulder blade moving against her body, and her body's going forward and backward, and all the motion is right here in the shoulder blade. She's just holding it for a second at each, as far as she can one way, as far as she can the other way. Perfect. This is the easiest progression, easiest way that you can do it. You can get on all fours and do it that way. You can get into a push-up and kind of hold yourself up and do it that way, almost like a plank. And if that's still too easy for you, then you can put your feet up on an exercise ball and lose some of that stability and really challenge yourself and really work on the scapular stability and range of motion at the same time. So this is a scapular push-up.